How to find Peacock TV promo codes. Now, first things first, you'll have to get your Peacock TV ready for you to be able to input or enter the code before you hit on subscribing on this specific platform right here. So just directly create a new tab and then go to this website, which called couponfollow.com. Now, this website is actually a specific website that offers or provides and gives multiple amounts of discounts and promo codes on any platforms or any kinds of websites that is providing products or subscriptions. All you have to do from here is go to search for store and then just type in Peacock. Now just choose on result, which is going to be the Peacock TV. So as you can see, there are multiple options right here that you can go ahead and choose. So if say for example you want the 75% off, all you have to do is to click on that for you to be able to get the code. Now all you have to do is copy the code, go back to the Peacock TV's official website, enter it here, and that's how you take advantage of a promo code. So again, that's how you find Peacock TV promo codes.